man say, and that man say.
What some say? What some say? What? What some say? Conflicts and... No, let me tell you something. The imagery for that song is just wrong. Because to get a bowl of cornflakes with enough dirty water is enough to go. That's a lot of dirty water. Hunger don't kill you. This lady is the first time you hear that song, no? Yeah. You've heard it before? You're shocked by it, right? No, when you read up on the, you know, what is that? Cornflakes and dirty water? You know, it's not dirty water themselves, right? Body water. Have you ever had it? She get up to enough for it.